Good morning, St. George's family. If you were at school this week, we would be so busy getting ready for slaying of the dragon. But unfortunately, we can't be here. But we don't want you to miss out all the fun at home. So I'm going to teach you how to make a helmet and a shield so you can slay your own dragons at home. And to make the helmet, this is what our finished product will look like. You will need an Austin Chronicle. That's the perfect size newsprint for this. And you'll need 3 pieces of newsprint. The first one, we're going to make the band that's going to go around your head. I'm going to take the paper and go from side to side. You're going to fold it in half. And you're just going to kind of eyeball it. You don't have to get it just right, and you're going to fold it into thirds. Give it a good crease, and then I staple mine just to keep it together. Now we're going to make the crosses for the top. Take another piece, newsprint. I'm going to make it this way, short ways, cross, fold it in half. Now you're going to eyeball the thirds again. Crease. Staple that so it doesn't come undone. We need one more. I'm going to do the same thing in half and in thirds and a staple. Now the way I do mine, I find it easier. I take my 2 cross pieces and I kind of figure out a right angle. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I give them a staple. Now you will need to take the band and measure your child's head. Sometimes we get a head that's a little bit bigger than this. You just fold another piece of paper. You'll have plenty of pages. And then just make a little extension and staple it on. But once you get your child's head measured and you have your band, then we'll attach the crosses. And I like to find the half points on mine. And then I just line up one cross with one crease. Staple that. Go across to the other crease. Staple that. Then we'll do the one for the other side. And we'll do this side. And there's your helmet. And remember, since you're using a chronicle, you might want to proof the pages that you use with your children, because they come to your children painted when we get them. Now we're going to do shields. I used poster board. A lot of you are getting things delivered to your houses these days, so if you have a cardboard box you want to cut up, that would be great. Just something that's a little stiff. I just found a piece of poster board and cut it into quarters. And then you just need a little piece to attach for a handle. Just cut a strip. Give it a staple. Get that out of the way. Give that a staple. This makes it so they have something to hold on to. And since St. George was known as the Red Cross Knight, we always put a red cross. I used a red crayon. If you want to paint, that would be great. Or they can just decorate it. But I'm just going to make one big red cross here. And there is your shield for slaying of the dragon. So, I hope this is a fun project for you at home. Send us your videos of you slaying the dragon. Bye, friends.